thinking.
So, what do you want this right below it? The cardboard box, the
I don't know.
plastic tub?
Maybe we'll just try gently scooping up.
Or do you want to just try to scoop them directly into the bucket?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do, Justin?
As long as we get the... See, they're not too upset yet.
You're pushing pretty hard on that, isn't it?
Oh. Ooh, yeah, I can feel them all crawling on me. If I got the queen in there, all right, everybody. Super exciting morning this morning. I got up night shift, and my parents called me, and they said they had a swarm of bees to catch. So we ran out there, caught the swarm of bees. I had to get them a new little home until we get a flow hive. But we're going to go ahead and install these and see if I can't get a good little footage of it. Alright. I don't know how well they'll do. It's kind of late in the season, I think, to be starting a hive, but they decided they could do it, so we're going to get us a second hive. I just got this box temporarily until we can get the flow hive, because I really want to try one of those hives out. So. Got a little sugar water here. Holy smokes. Holy smokes, there's a lot of bees here. I've never dealt with this many bees all at once. That was a lot of bees. But I think the install went pretty good. So we'll let them get settled in, and if they decide they want to stay, I'll go ahead and order us a flow hive and we'll do a good video on that. So that was a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be. Almost overwhelming with all the bees, but they've been pretty good so far. A few tried to sting me through the suit when we collected the bee bundle or whatever you call it this morning. So that wasn't bad. They're in their new home for a little while. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. All right, it seems to me that the hive that I rescued has decided to wage war on my existing hive. Like, I don't know what's going on. I've never seen this before. This is absolutely insane. It's like all the bees that I took out of the other one have immediately went over and invaded my existing hive. That's nuts. I don't know what's going on, why they're doing that. Huh, that hive was doing so good. All right, so is the day after we rescued a swarm. It didn't rescue a swarm, we caught a swarm and tried to install it in its own hive, probably, I don't know, 50 feet away from this one. And they immediately, like within a half hour, they were like taking over this colony, which was crazy to watch. It's in the video, you guys probably just watched it. And it seems like most of the chaos has subsided. I'm interested to open the hive up today and see what it looks like inside, because there's probably at least another hive added to this one. And so my understanding of what this process is, the invading hive or invading swarm will kill the queen that exists and install their own, and then all the old hive basically has to accept her, and then they keep on doing their thing. So maybe it's a good thing. Maybe I got like a double strong hive. We'll see. I'm not really worried about them being Africanized, because they're pretty nice when I caught them, and they seem to be pretty docile while I just sit here watching them. So we'll open them up, definitely wearing the suit and some smoke, because they did try to sting me a couple times when I caught them, but not much. So I don't know, maybe this is a plus going into the late summer and early winter. Getting a double strong hive. So we'll open it up here this afternoon once it's real hot and they're all out working, because there will be a ton of bees in there, but I better add some more frames before they decide they need to leave again. So there that is. Chaos has subsided, and they say that people are the only violent ones.